guys, Matt here. I've been watching this show called The Secrets of Skinwalker Ranch. It's kind of gotten me inspired. So what I want to do is I want to throw out a challenge to maybe the Access of Awesome and anybody else who wants to participate. I want you to share a video or photo with me of your investigators, adventure team investigators, investigating the Skinwalker Ranch. It could be anything as simple as a photo of a G.I. Joe pointing up at the sky saying, "Look, it's a UFO," or something more complex. Let's see what you come up with. Hope you guys decide to participate, because this could be fun. You could Google Skinwalker Ranch and find out some information. I'll put some information down in the description box, or some links for. I'll put links down in the description box for Skinwalker Ranch. I have a quick channel update coming up on my 300th video, and I wanted to have some fun with it. So if you want to submit some questions, or even share some photos of maybe some of the projects you have done inspired by mine, or whatever, I'd like to see them. My daughter is now my new editor, the Christy 13. She will be editing my videos. I'm hoping this will give me some time to add some production value to my videos. Hope you guys like what we're gonna bring to you. Anyways, share those questions with me. Submit those photos for the Skinwalker Ranch challenge. You don't have to be in the Access of Awesome to do it. Just I'd like to see anybody who wants to participate. Could be videos, photos, whatever you guys decide to do. It'll be awesome. Hit that subscribe button, push the like button, share this video. All that really helps my channel out, and I'd really appreciate it. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.